winter storm. That's how much snow we got. So far, it's only been snowing for an hour. Or two. It's supposed to snow till later tonight, or maybe even soon here. But I can already see blizzard conditions right now. And excuse me, guys. Just needed that one out. But look at this. Good snowball tournament conditions. I'm joking. Well, it could be, because it's still wet snow. And it's melting on my face. Like, I'm so confused now, man. But look. Yeah, you should see me. I was walking, like, look, walking down there, down all the way to over there. And then, obviously, once I got there, I was covered in snow and I was like, snowman. When I walked back, obviously, I was covered in snow. Probably could have got frostbite if I did, but I didn't walk that far. But yeah. This is 2018 winter storm in Fargo, North Dakota. And it looks like for TFL, guys. Oh, jeez. TFL in Fargo, North Dakota. Doesn't look like it's going to be postponed or canceled. Because Saturday it's supposed to get 29 degrees as a high and 18 as a low. So TFL people, don't forget you are playing. Football is still not out of the question, guys. Even though it's snowing out doesn't mean it's done. But yeah. If you like this channel, Severe Storm Watcher. And now, since it's winter, we're not doing any storm stuff. We're doing winter stuff. Like if there's a blizzard, I'll record it. And then Saturday there was some snow and it melted. So, and now all you see here is the new snow. This has been on for like an hour, less than an hour probably. Started at 2 o'clock and right now it's literally like 4:40, 4:14. So about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, an hour and a half, whatever. Look at that. Look at that. Does he think this is good football weather? Comment in the section below and subscribe for that flurry. Tell me if you want a blizzard, because I'll go buy you one from Dairy Queen. Goodbye.